Oh, peach pie.
I'm so excited.
It's got a little bit of stuff at the bottom. I have issues with, glare.
But it's such a pretty color.
I'm working on it. I'm working. 6/9, 2021, over 17%. For those of you who watched this video series, I think this was the last mead where I was trying to just do like the natural fermentation, I didn't stabilize, basically. I just kept pushing it and pushing it and pushing it until the yeast would just give up. And they wouldn't give up. 17.5, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
Yeast love peaches.
The last time I tried this, I remember we were talking about how hard it is to stabilize ferment peaches. And you kept saying peaches.
Peaches?
And I couldn't get over the fact that you kept saying peaches.
Oh, this is Christina, by the way. If you haven't seen her, then you must be very new to this channel.
I've tried a lot of her mead, which is quite a privilege because it's good stuff.
Thank you.
It's good stuff.
Christina is a well-seasoned veteran on this channel. And she has had this peach pie throughout the whole time, I think.
Did I try it at the beginning? I think I only tried it one other time.
Okay.
Either way, I've tried it before.
You had the in-between time. It turned out really well. This is definitely one of the most complicated recipes that I've made.
The last time we tried this was with Amy.
Yep.
I think it was about a year ago we did that because you were doing like the first post-bottling tasting of it.
Yes.
I'm a big fan of that color.
The reception was very good on this.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
It smells like peach pie.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mm. Whoa. Oh, it just keeps transforming.
That's amazing. Amanda.
You get so much spice at the end.
Amanda.
Woo!
Oh my God.
That's good dough.
Pie crust, fruit, spices, holy spices, pleasant finish out.
It lingers.
Oh my.
That is so full. But not like over the top full. It's like, it's really nice.
But it doesn't coat your mouth either. Like you would expect something with that high alcohol percentage to coat your mouth.
Wild.
And it doesn't taste alcoholic.
It does not taste like it
For the
would be
record,
17%.
this is no. It's like more than that. This is the third we've tried today. All been bottled over a year. All amazing. Holy mother of dog.
That.
It starts summery and then goes to fall. Remind me what the process was, the honey, the process, what you put in this. Because I think I remember you saying something about graham crackers before.
Yes.
And vanilla?
Yes, definitely. Ooh, this one was involved. I used clover honey and peaches to ferment on.
Peaches?
Peaches!
Peaches.
So it started at 1.130, which is a pretty high gravity to get going on. And it fermented all the way down to 0.998 in like just over 2 weeks time. I'm telling you, yeasties love peaches. And I added a little brown sugar because pie.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
And then I added more peaches, frozen, because at this time it was January. You couldn't find actual peaches in a grocery store. And then what did I do? I added some spices and let them hang out for a while.
Which spices? Because I feel like I taste cinnamon, clove, allspice.
Cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, cardamon.
Cardamom, that's what I was missing.
Clove and ginger.
Ginger.
I put a lot
Ginger.
There's a little ginger in there. I put all the things related to pie in this. And 1 vanilla bean. I had also added the dried apricots. So
that's right.
The peach flavor is definitely combined with apricot.
And I remember last time when you said that, I was like, that's what I taste. That's the missing thing. I don't taste that nearly as much this time.
No, that died down.
I still taste it a little bit, Like just enough to give like that extra sort of like fruity, but not like pow sweet flavor. Okay, so what we have learned today, this is, as I said, the third mead we've tasted today. All of them have been bottled over a year.
Yeah.
I think you need to start setting aside a bottle from certain runs, you know, ones that are worth setting aside.
Yeah.
To see what they're like at 12, 13, 14, 18 months. This was phenomenal a year ago, but holy cow.
It is so complex.
I would love to try more of your meads after they've been just hanging out in the cabinet for a year.
Most of my meads only make it to the 1 year mark, because I typically make them in a gallon and then I spread them around and I dry them. And
then she gives them away to those of us that love them.
I give them away, you know. But I think I do need to start making like a 2-year box. Right now I have a 1-year box. I should make a 2-year box to see, because some meads, you know, there's this whole sort of debate, right, where some meads could get better the longer they age for, kind of like a fine red wine, but some of them not so much, you know, or like they might hit their peak 2 years in, you know, 1 year or 2 years, and then after that they go downhill. But I would be so interested to taste this again in 2 years.
Do you have any more of this? This the last one?
It's the last one.
Well, it kind of makes me sad.
I know.
That's
wow.
Have a tiny bit more.
That is crazy. Oh, it's so dangerous.
It's a beautiful orangey,
You can get messed up.
sunshiny color. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this quite as well as we can, but it's so pretty.
It's very pretty.
Like, look at that. It's the same color that it tastes, which I know makes no sense. But it's that sunshiny, happy, warm feeling that you get when you stand in the sun on a really nice day.
Yeah.
I know I sound crazy, and I'm fine with that.
It does taste happy.
It's so happy.
This would be a great fall drink. I want to sit by a fire and drink this.
Fire pit on a cold, crisp night.
Yeah.
When it's not like cold, but with a fire pit and maybe some s'mores.
That's what I want.
Yes, please.
I want that in my life right
Can we
now.
do that?
That sounds nice.
Anyway.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for joining us for this magical mead tasting, because genuinely, this mead is magical. It's just happy.
It's happy. And it's complex.
It's fruity and it's spicy and it's just a genuine joy
It's smooth.
to drink.
And the ingredients and everything will be in the description, as well as a full video list. Like and subscribe if you want to, because that'd be cool. I have memberships now. I keep forgetting to talk about that, but I do have those. So if you want to support me, that'd be cool. And if you make this, let us know.
Yes.
Because I would love to know if anyone's tried this out. I know it's a little complicated and I was kind of all over the place when I was making it, because I tend to just do things by the seam of my pants sometimes.
But this right here is proof that sometimes experiments are worth it.
Yeah.
And they work, and they're far better than you could have done intentionally.
Experiment and have fun, you know? I mean, that's what making your own stuff is really all about. That's what keeps me going in this hobby, because it's just really fun.
And it's so much fun to be able to do this with you, because you're one of my favorite people.
Thank you.
I love spending time with you and getting to drink amazing things that you have made. Just makes it so much more special.
Thanks, Christina.
I love her.
I'm glad I have you here with me. You're the best. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.